Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to generate images directly in Claude AI. Let's get started. First, open Claude AI and start a new chat. Now type, "Make an image of sunset for me," and press enter. You'll notice that Claude may not generate the image directly. Instead, it may provide information or reference an image from another source. So here's the trick you can try. Open a new chat in Claude. This time, simply type, "Make a sunset for me," and press enter. Now, Claude may start generating the image directly in the conversation. It may take a little time to finish, so just wait for the generation process to complete. And there you go! The image has been generated directly inside Claude. And that's it for this quick tutorial. If you found this trick helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more AI tutorials.